So we're heading to Twin Falls, and we parked down by the highway. Twin Falls is near the town of Grande Cache, Alberta, and it's 0.7 kilometers to the trailhead from the highway, and the falls are 0.7 kilometers from the trailhead. So that's Hell's Creek. Nothing but a little bit of water and a mattress. Now we are at the trailhead. Here's the trailhead sign. Most of it's legible. Though we were told that there are quite a few bears in the area, so maybe we'll see one of those today. A little bit of a cut bank going here, some caving in. The trail's not far off that. Yeah, a little bit later would have been better for that. A few meters above the falls at this point, and they got some ropes to help pull us up here. Okay, and around this corner it kind of steepens up and there is more rope. So we're not actually going to go any further than this. So we're just going to head back down and go to the next fall. And here we are back at the car.